Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix. You must be an administrator running a consoles session in order to use this SFC utility problem. So there is a simple way to fix this. So first of all, go to your search option here and here search CMD, that is the command prompt, and after that right click it here and select run as administrator option here and select yes. And now here you have to give a command. The command is sfc space backslash scn now, that is scan now, and enter. And after that, the computer will scan the system and your problem will be fixed. And you have to wait for the system to fully scan the computer. So after that, your problem will be fixed. So this is the video and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel and I will catch you guys in the next video.